just rear wheel drive perfection on a lake, you know? That's all you need. All right, I gotta make some studs for the BRZ. That's gotta happen.
You should.
I really should. It would be so much fun. You want me to grab anyone?
Matt's right here. So
Matt's right here? Okay, cool.
There he is.
Good.
Whew, I'm gonna cool down.
Yeah. Thanks again, man. That was great.
Yeah, no problem. That was a good run.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, buddy.
Good run. Yes, sir. Have fun.
All right. Oh, we're gonna have some fun.
Just a bit toasty.